student of class 6. I hope that you are all fine. Today our work to solve the exercises. In previous day we were complete the lesson first. So I hope that you all is ready to start. Let's begin our work. Start now. First, exercise number A. Exercise number A. Answer to these questions in short way. Now, lesson one. First exercise A. Answer to these questions short. Now, first question. Where is Aladdin lived? Aladdin lived in a little house. Why Aladdin lived in little house? Why? Why? Now, why Aladdin lived in little house? Do you know answer to this question? No. Okay, don't worry. Answer. Aladdin lived in a little house. Aladdin lived in little house because he was poor. Okay. Now, every day Aladdin, where Aladdin played? Every day, where Aladdin play every day? Aladdin played. Where is Aladdin played? Where Aladdin played? Answer. Aladdin played in the where? Street. In the street. Okay, now question number 3. Who was sorry why was wizard angry? Answer short, because the wizard he wanted the lamp. Now they walked along a stony path. Why was Aladdin frightened? Why was Aladdin frightened? Because Aladdin was alone in the dark. Because Aladdin was alone in the dark. Okay, now question number 5. Question number 5. Who was Aladdin? Who was Aladdin? Answer Aladdin was a little boy. Now Aladdin was a little boy. Aladdin's story, old or new? Aladdin's story is a very old. Now only 5 questions, and other question to answer you will make on. And exercise number B. Exercise number B. Exercise number B. Fill in the blank space. Exercise B. Fill in the blank spaces. Fill in the blank spaces. Aladdin lived in a long time. Aladdin lived in a long time dash. Now number second. Every day he played. Every day he played dash the street. Street because he was dash. First, Aladdin lived in a long time ago. Every day he played in the street because he was lazy. Because he was lazy and did not want to work. And did not want to work. Now number third. The man said that. The man said that he was Aladdin's dash, and that he had come dash come from Africa. Now number 4. Aladdin was dash because the wizard bought him some beautiful dish. Aladdin was pleased because the wizard bought him some beautiful which things? Clothes. Very good. Now number 5. They went dash a long walk. Dash a stony path. They went for a long walk along a stony path. Okay. Now other dashes you will fill your own, and filling words you will find lesson first, means in this story. Now where we use and exercise page number 5, exercise number A. Add have or has to these sentences. Where we use have and has, I have already learned to you. So now I say orally, my sisters did some pretty dresses. My sisters are a plural. So which helping verb we use, have or has? Do you know? No, it's okay, no problem. My sisters are a plural, so we use have. Why we use have? Because sisters are plurals, not a one sister, more than 1, 2 or 3. Now my sisters did some pretty dresses, means my sisters have some pretty dresses. Now page number 5, exercise number A. Page 5, exercise A. Use have or has. First, my sisters dash some pretty or beautiful dresses. pretty dresses. Have or has. Which pronoun we use in this sentence, in this blank? My sisters dash some pretty dresses. Sisters are plurals, more than one sister, so we use and also we use have. Have we use I, we, you, they and plural names or nouns or pronouns. So sisters are plurals, so we use have, not a has. Now this clock dash only one hand. This clock dash only one hand. Dash only one hand. Beta, this clock dash only one hand. This clock only one clock. Wall clock etc. This clock has only one hand. हिन घड़ियाल खे सिर्फ हिक सुई आहे. Right. Now number third, I dash a pen. I dash a pen. Which helping verb we use? Have or has? I have. I is the first person, so we use have, not a has. Now number 4, my brother dash bought a new car. My brother dash bought a new car. Which helping verb we use? My brother. My brother is only one in this sentence. Now we use which helping verb? Have or has? Has. Right. Number 5. Number 5. Her pen dash a broken nib. Dash a broken nib. Has. Now exercise number B. Exercise B. Add a, an, or some. Add a, an, or some to these sentences. To these sentences. To these I have already learned usage of a, an and some. In her bag she has. First, in her bag, in her bag she has. In her bag she has dash purse dash egg and oranges and dash oranges. Now you use in this blanks in her bag and some. In her bag she has dash purse. Purse we use consonant before consonant word. So P is a consonant. She has a purse only one, and dash egg, a vowel letter, vowel. So we use and dash oranges. Oranges are plural, oranges. So now we use some oranges. In her bag she has a purse and egg and some oranges. Now number second, Pakistan is dash country in Asia. Country in Asia. Asia is a continent. 7 continents in this world. So Pakistan is dash country in Asia. Pakistan is dash country. Focus in this word. Now Pakistan is a country in Asia. Why we use a? Because country first letter is consonant. Sound is consonant. Pakistan is a country in Asia. Now number third, they were looking at dash map of the world. They were looking at. Number third, they were looking at dash map of the world. They were looking at dash map of the world. Which article we use? A, an, and, a or an or some? No, a. And other examples I will tell you orally. I think it will rain. Take dash umbrella with you. I think it will rain. Take dash umbrella. Umbrella. Which word we use? Which article we use? Are in umbrella, not a. Please buy dash exercises. Please buy dash exercise book, dash pair of scissors and dash pencils. Please buy dash exercise book, dash exercise book, and exercise book. Why we use n? Because e, focus, and this word means exercise. So we use n. Please buy an exercise book, dash pair of scissors, a pair of scissors यानी हिक कैंचिन जो जोड़ो यानी 2 scissors and dash pencils I pencils not and only we use which some pencils. Now exercise number C. Exercise number C. Change these sentences into questions. Change these sentences into questions. Change these sentences into questions and give short replies and gives short answers and then give short answers. Okay, first I have an apple. I have an apple. First we change into question. So first of all we write helping verb. Which helping verb in this sentence? Have I an apple? Answer. And necessary we put a question mark. Give short answer. Yes, I have. Okay, now number second. The dog has a red collar. The dog has a red collar. The dog has a red collar. First change into question. So we write first helping verb has. The dog a red collar. Answer. No, the dog has not. Has not. Yeah, no, it has not. Number third. You have a big hat. First change into question. Have you a big head? Question mark. Now answer. Yes, I have. Yes, I have. Yes, I have. And now write definitions. First, what is noun? Can you give me answer to this question? No? Okay, don't you worry. I will give you. Noun means name, noun as the name of a person, a place, a thing, or an animal. Means we say in grammatically noun, and we say noun means name. Noun is the name of a person, place, things or animal. Means name everything, your name, my name, things name, animal's name. Why we call his or her names? Her name is her identification. His name, his identification. Its name, its identification in this thing. Now a person means, first example, a person, Ahmed, Uzma, etc. Place, school, hospital, okay. A thing, pen, table, etc. An animal, goat, lion, etc. Now, what is noun? Noun means name. Your noun is the naming word. What naming word? Name means every person, place, things or animals. As noun is the name of a person, place, thing or an animal. Suppose, for example, a person, Ahmed, Uzma, Aslam, and many more names. Place, school, hospitals, houses, etc. A thing, pen, table, pencil, fan, door, window, dice. Now animal, goat, lion, buffalo, cat, etc. Now today our topic is finished. So tomorrow inshallah we will start new lesson 2. So be careful. Thank you so much, and inshallah I will see you tomorrow.